Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hethel's Cornerstone. So today we will see list 3 of the type the missing letters to complete the text below in Duolingo English test with 2 examples. Okay. So we are over here मैंने क्या किया है as seen in exam pattern. Okay. क्वेश्चन पहले यहाँ पे लगा दिए हैं तो आपको सोचना है क्या आंसर रहेगा मिसिंग लेटर्स में और लास्ट में जब 2 प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम्पल खत्म हो जाएंगे तो लास्ट में आपको सब आंसर वहां पे मिल जाएंगे सो यू कैन चेक सेल्फ चेकअप कर सकते हो कि आपका कितने राइट्स है और कितने रॉन्ग्स है इन द मिसिंग लेटर सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो इफ यू आर न्यू इन माय चैनल प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब the channel, hit the subscribe button so you will get new update and interesting update about the Canada and Duolingo English State. So without any wasting our time, let's get going. So हम start करते हैं type the missing letters to complete the text below. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, just I have mentioned this para only and all the answers, all the missing letters I have mentioned in the last when you will complete the practice test 1 and practice test 2. Okay, so you can do cross check also. Okay, self examination you can do at your own. Okay, so start. Global warming refers to blank. What will be the word RISRI blank? Okay, so in this we will do global warming refers to dash in temperatures all over the blank dash in the recent years blank SCI and blank has concluded that the blank layer which surrounds the globe is blank being damaged. Okay, the ozone layer blank the earth from the harmful blank of the blank and prevent the heating up of the earth more than blank but pollution of the atmosphere, particularly the chlorofluorocarbons released into blank atmosphere from blank fuels blank and certain machines affects the ozone layer leading to its blank. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just take a pen and paper and you have to write the answer. What will be the answer over here? Okay, and what will be the answer in the all the missing letters? So for one I have provided you, let's see that. Okay, type the missing letters to complete the text below. So I have provided only 2 answers over here. Global warming refers to rise, RISE, rise in temperature all over the earth. Okay, EARTH. Okay, in the recent years. So in that way you have to complete these missing letters and I have provided answers, all the answers of practice 1 and 2 in the last. So you can do check out also on yourself. Okay, so we will do practice example 2. Okay, so type the missing letters to complete the text below. The same way we will do over here in practice example 2, in practice 2. Okay, so deep down on the blank bed there was a blank palace which belonged to the king of the sea. Blank beautiful palace was blank with blank and blank. Okay, so these two are vocabularies of the sea. You must know the vocabulary CON and SHE. Okay, the king had blank DAUG blank. 5 of his daughters was always blank and blank. Okay, but the 6th daughter was always unhappy and blank. This is also a vocabulary word. Okay, this is a new word. In spite of having all blank and the comforts of life, she, okay, I forgot, blank, never blank. Okay, so if you don't know this word in the beginning, so what you can do, you can read the whole paragraph sentence by sentence. Okay, and guess in your mind what will be the correct answer for this missing letter, because there is no any negative marking, so आपको blank नहीं रखना चाहिए. Okay, this is my personal advice to you, so you don't have to make some blank letter over here, no any missing letters. Okay, so you have to put this some answers. So we will see the answer for practice example 2. Okay, so answer of what? 1 rice, earth, scientist. Okay, ozone constantly protects rays, sun, desirables, the vehicles and thinning. Okay, so what the paragraph was, the global warming refers to the rise in the temperature all over the earth in the recent years. Scientists, scientists has concluded that the ozone layer which surrounds the globe is constantly constantly being damaged. Okay, so this is the way I have put all the answers over here for practice example 1. So in the same way I will provide you this example 2. Okay, answers. C, SEA, deep down on the seabed, SEA, seabed. Majestic, Majestic, majestic palace, which belong to the king of the sea. Okay, this, THIS. Okay, this palace was built, this palace was built, BUILT, conches, CONCHES, conches and shelves. Okay, the sea king had 6 daughters, DAUGATERS, daughters. 5 of his daughters were always happy and cheerful. Okay, but the 6th daughter was always unhappy and gloomy, 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 in spite of having all the pleasures, PLEASURES, pleasures and comforts of life. She never smiled. Okay, this is the perfect answers of this practice example 1 and 2. So प्लीज व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप जब भी पैराग्राफ देखो तब क्या करो, डोंट लुक एट द आंसर्स फर्स्ट. आप एक नोटबुक लो, पेन लो, उसमें सब आंसर्स लिखो, देन यू टू चेक आउट. ओके, अदरवाइज इस तरह से प्रिपरेशन करोगे तो यू कैन गेट द गुड मार्क्स, गुड स्केल इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. Otherwise, practice and practice, there is no any meaning. Okay, you have to do wisely practice, right? So I hope you guys you like this video and stay tuned. Thank you for guys, thank you for supporting and stay tuned guys. Bye bye now.